Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Starting off with a live look at Grants Pass, where we're kind of socked in with the clouds and fog today. That fog starting to settle back in this evening as you take a look from our weather cam. Right now, visibility down to 3/4 of a mile up at the airport. Take a look around Southern Oregon and Northern California. We just have some clouds working through the region, but we are dry. That is going to be changing, though, as we head into this weekend. We got some pretty beneficial precipitation on the way for Saturday into Sunday. Current temperatures, we're sitting at 60 in Medford, where we had those brighter skies today, much milder than Grants Pass, sitting at 50. 50 in Klamath Falls right now. We're at 42 in Lakeview, 53 in Montague, and it's 61 right now in Brookings. Tonight, it will be a bit colder. We will see a lot of the clouds, those mid and higher level clouds starting to break up a bit tonight. Some more fog possible in our west side valleys. Down to the 20s on the east side, 23 in Lakeview. We'll drop to 35 in Wairika and 39 in Medford. Tomorrow, another fairly mild day. Most of us will stay dry. Partly cloudy skies, mostly sunny at times, especially in the Rogue Valley, but there will be at least a slight chance for a shower later in the day for parts of the coast, Northern California, and on the east side. But the main event is going to be this weekend, as a pretty potent storm system is going to impact the region. The forecast models really congregating on bringing widespread rain to the region and higher elevation snow, and really dropping those snow levels Saturday evening, going from about 7,000 feet down to about 3,500 feet by later Saturday evening. This system will also produce some gusty winds. Take a look. Tomorrow, winds not too terribly strong, but then as we head into Saturday, as the system approaches, winds are going to pick up across the region out of the south and southwest. You can see some windier weather through the afternoon on Saturday for Curry and Josephine counties, and those winds will be a factor into Saturday night. And with the mountains, we're also going to be looking at snow. So travel not going to be great for those higher elevations. We do expect snow to eventually work into the Cascade Passes as we head into Saturday evening. Snow levels are going to drop fairly quickly, and likely having snow reaching the Siskiyou Summit and the Klamath Basin. We should see at least some light accumulations potentially with this storm system. So here's Stormcast. Here's how things play out tomorrow. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy, a few isolated showers possible later in the day, and then shower activity picking up as we head into Saturday. But the widespread and heavier precipitation moves in Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening and night. And look at how those snow levels drop, changing rain to snow for our higher elevations over on the east side. Parts of Siskiyou County will see snow as well, and we'll see lingering rain and snow showers into your Sunday. Here's a look at snow amounts. A first look, could see upwards of 4 to 8 inches for our Cascade Passes, higher amounts up towards Crater Lake, and at least about 1 to 3 inches for Chemult, 1 to 2 inches at the Siskiyou Summit. For Klamath Falls, maybe about a trace to an inch at this point, but we'll keep an eye on things. Notice when it comes to rainfall and precipitation, pretty beneficial throughout Southern Oregon and Northern California. A lot of spots seeing at least over a half an inch along and west of the Cascades, and locally some spots maybe 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, especially near the coast. Your 7-day forecast looking like this. Slight chance of a shower tomorrow, but rain likely on Saturday, heavy at times with gusty winds. Northern California, a wet weekend on tap, gustier winds Saturday, breezy on Sunday with those lowering snow levels. Shouldn't see any snow impacting travel on I-5 though through Siskiyou County. The Klamath Basin, rain changing to snow Saturday night. Some at least light accumulations possible in the basin. Much colder Sunday, highs only in the lower 40s. Up in the mountains, expect snow to have a big impact on travel Saturday night, especially into Sunday morning through our Cascade Passes. Quieter weather on Monday. Right now, travel ahead of Thanksgiving looking pretty good, at least Monday and Tuesday for sure. And then in the Rogue Valley, rain likely this weekend, turning much colder as well. Highs on Sunday only stuck in the 40s, and maybe a weak system to keep an eye on as we head towards Thanksgiving.
Well, Matt, you said yesterday you were looking for more details today to try and figure out the storm pattern for the weekend, and wow, those are some details.
Yeah, it's definitely looking like a more potent storm system, and coming up at 6, we'll have a closer look at those snow amounts for our higher elevations.
Very good. Thank you, Matt.